morning, aspirants. One more video on most likely interview questions for BFSI sector. It is divided in two parts. The part one will have 5 questions, so let's discuss them. Question number one: what do you understand by priority sector lending? So here you can say as a sample answer would be that these are the guidelines given by RBI for providing specified portion of their bank lending to the sectors like that of agriculture, and MSME and all that, small and medium scale. Also for people for housing and education, which become priority sectors. And the commercial banks, as per RBI guidelines, are supposed to follow these rules and regulations. Question number two: what is meant by CTS system in the banking industry? CTS stands for check truncation system, which is like scanning of checks instead of physical handling of checks. It has been discontinued, and CTS system will be used for quick check clearance. Okay. Question number three: what are the benefits of investing in mutual funds? Instead of investing in the stock market directly, it is preferable that you invest through mutual fund, which gives you range of advantages like that of they are professionally managed and they offer you liquidity, transparency. They are regulated by SEBI. You can switch to other schemes if you feel your particular scheme is not doing well or giving you enough returns, and so on. Question number four: if the account has gone dormant, how will you help the customer revive it? So the sample answer could be the customer has to resubmit the KYC documents along with an application for activation of the account, also stating the reason as to why he was not operating the account for such a long time, and it can be reactivated or revived. The last question here for this video, question number 5: what is NAV with respect to mutual fund? Again, the sample answer would be NAV stands for net asset value. It is the market value per unit of the securities held by an individual, which keeps changing. Okay, so it is calculated by dividing the total value of all the assets in that particular portfolio of mutual fund minus all its liabilities. Thank you for watching. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.